everyone to another video. Here in this video, I'll be showing you a tree that we planted not too long ago. It's called a Yoshino flowering cherry tree. Now the base of this tree grew so many weeds. I'm starting to realize that every hero has a mission and mine is fighting weeds. And that's all I do with my trees. Just kill all the weeds, remove all the weeds all day, every day. So in this video, I will be removing the weeds and clearing anything else I see and mulch it up again. I also made a border from rocks that I found on my property. Now, this is a cheaper and cost effective way to border the bottom of the trees. For me, it was free because I found all this digging up all the dirt and debris that I have in the backyard. So I was able to just create a border around the base of this tree. It also helps me keep away when I'm passing my lawnmower. I'll also be showing you the growth process of this tree on some later videos. So guys, please like and subscribe so I can continue putting up more videos. I hope you enjoy it. See you guys at the end of the video. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. I'm gonna be doing other videos with other trees that we've planted. So stay tuned for my other videos. See you next time.